Do you know your Rashi can guide you to the right temple for solving life's toughest problems? Here is your guide. For Mesha Rashi, visit God Subramanya temples such as Palani in Tamil Nadu to overcome conflicts and debts. For Rishabha Rashi, pray at God Lakshmi's temples like Mahalakshmi temple in Mumbai for financial stability and harmony. For Midhuna Rashi, find peace and clarity at God Krishna's temples such as Guruvayur in Kerala and Udupi Sri Krishna Mat. For Karka Rashi, heal family tensions at God Parvati's temples like Kamakya in Assam. For Simha Rashi, gain courage at God Narasimha temples such as Ahobilam in Andhra Pradesh. For Kanya Rashi, improve health and focus at God Hanuman's temples like Sankatamochan in Varanasi. For Tula Rashi, God Durga's temples such as Vaishno Devi in Jammu. For Vrishchika Rashi, at God Shiva's temples like Rameshwaram. For Dhanu Rashi, God Dattatreya's temples such as Audumbar in Maharashtra. For Makara Rashi, God Hanuman's temples like Namakkal Anjaneya in Tamil Nadu. For Kumbha Rashi, God Shani's temples such as Shani Shingnapur in Maharashtra. For Meena Rashi, manage finances at God Vishnu's temples like Tirumala in Andhra Pradesh. Which temple do you visit for your Rashi? Share in the comments and follow Temple Girl for more such divine insights.